1935 Pontiac Deluxe 8. Thought I'd do this video since I don't see many out there. Hopefully this will draw these things back out. Maybe somebody will have one. This is the Deluxe 8 model. Paint job is it's all right, but if I had the money, I'd repaint it. Right here, straight 8. Quick start mechanism for the gas pedal. Tires in good shape. Gas. Original handbook. Drivers. Original wood grain pattern. Super rare door release. Normally it's up here. This one, because of the factory it came out of, they made that one. .650s, 16s, artilleries, original size. Under seat. A lot of people are missing this part right here. This is the latch for that to hook onto, so it'll close. But it idles great, drives great. This is all original. Spare tire back here. Car was restored in '74. Got it 2 years ago. Everything's there. Banjo steering wheel. We got both mirrors. I mean, both oh my God, sun visors. Original, unrestored. But pretty nice for a original car. Like I said, you don't see these out. Wood's still good. All this wood is all still good.